Hi everyone, my name is Abel Brick Antoine. I'm from GREYTEST Design Consult. I'm a civil engineer by profession. I'm sure you must have heard of BioFill, or you must have come across this on any of these social media platforms, either on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, or even on Google. Okay? I'm sure you must have been tired of the normal traditional soil systems that pose environmental challenges and demand frequent maintenance. Now say hello to BioFill, the innovative, eco-friendly solution that redefines drainage with sustainability. Why should you choose BioFill? Firstly, it is eco-friendly, okay? It is effortless in installation, it is long-lasting in performance, odor-free in operation, and cost-effective, okay? Where can we apply all of this? You might be wondering, or you might be asking that question. It can be installed in the residential buildings, commercial building, landscaping projects, municipal infrastructure. Okay? Now, are you ready to embrace the future of drainage solutions? Make the switch to BioFill and experience a sustainable, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional soil systems. Upgrade to BioFill today because the future of drainage is green and responsible.